In this video guide, we will give you detailed instructions that will help you to get rid of the potentially unwanted program called DriverMax. DriverMax is designed to ensure that the drivers installed onto the system are up to date. However, DriverMax is classified as a potentially unwanted application due to its dubious distribution methods, which can lead to inadvertent installation. Apps that fall within this classification are typically distributed using the bundling method, or deceptive scams or faulty websites that try to mislead you, or they are simply stealthily installed by intrusive advertisements. Products are classified as potentially unwanted applications when they are promoted using the dubious techniques. Software endorsed in this way may seem legitimate, however, these methods are commonly used to proliferate untrusted content. One marketing technique is called bundling, by which the advertised content is pre-packed with additional and often malicious, potentially unwanted applications. So it is obvious that the only purpose of DriverMax is to actually force you into purchasing its so-called Pro version. We recommend you to treat this program with caution, and we suggest that you uninstall it in a common way. So go to the control panel of your computer, select Programs and click on Uninstall a program, find DriverMax 12 or whatever you find here, right-click on it and select the option to uninstall this program completely. Also, look for any other suspicious applications that might be on the list, and if they are not familiar to you, uninstall them in the similar manner. We also suggest you to perform additional investigation of your computer with a Combo Cleaner antivirus by going to the official resource combocleaner.com. Download the software and start checking your device with this program. It will help you to detect other threats that could be possibly hidden on your system. Once you start Combo Cleaner antivirus, you need to select your preferred scan type. The trial mode of the program, however, only gives you quick scan, so you have no other option available. The premium version of the software also gives you full system scan and custom scan. After this scan type is selected, or you choose the quick scan type in the trial mode, click on Start Scan button. The program, even in the trial mode, will help you to fully analyze your computer, and you'll be able to see the complete summary of all threats that were found during the scanning. But of course, you can also clearly see that the program might first update its anti-malware database in order to make sure that all the threats are properly detected during the scan. And you should not actually cancel this process, because this is crucial for proper malware detection and removal. So after the anti-malware database is successfully updated, the program will begin the analysis of your computer, and then you will see the summary of all threats that were found during the scan. The scanning may take a while. It depends on how infected your computer is, but pay attention to some features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. You may go to Settings, select Anti-ransomware tab, and you will be able to add the special folder which will be protected against all possible ransomware attacks. However, remember that this particular feature is the part of the premium license only. So at the end of scanning, the program will give you the summary of all threats that were found during the scan, and you'll be able to know their exact location on your computer, so you may remove each specific threat manually, one threat at a time, or you may consider upgrading to the premium version to remove all such threats automatically.